Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can have a smooth transition for your edits by using the speed grab that I will show you through this video. So just add your videos into CapCut and then just start by clicking on the first video, go to speed, and then here choose the curve and use the custom option and edit it like this. So I only need 4 bits, so I'm going to delete one. So for this first and fourth bit, you need to put it up here like this, then bring down the second and third bit like this in the middle. Okay, after that, choose a better quality, this one. So after that, apply it to all of your clips. So I'm going to go with the second clips. You can just do the same. So delete the bit and make it like this. Okay, so I've already made the speed curve for all of the video. Just click on the check icon and this will be the final result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.